So the learning objective I will be talking about is describing the difference between symmetric and asymmetric bimanual coordination. And with that, I will be discussing why asymmetric bimanual coordination is more difficult to learn than the symmetric one. So to begin, the difference between the two is that symmetric requires two limbs to be able to simultaneously be able to perform a motor skill. For example, we can think of it as skills that include having to use both hands on a constant pattern. For instance, rowing a boat. There you have to move one arm after the other at a similar pace. Another example can be jumping rope, where both hands are doing a type of rotation to keep it going, but it's the similar rotation. Essentially, the two limbs are doing the same thing. Now, comparing it to the asymmetric coordination skills, you see the complete opposite. This includes doing actions that require you to undergo different skills. Specifically, they are not following the same pattern as it was experienced in symmetric coordination skills, meaning that each one is doing their own thing. An example can be through tennis. So when serving, you throw the ball upwards with one hand while the other one is getting ready to swing. So one's doing one skill while the other one is getting ready to do another skill. This shows how the two limbs are performing different skills. That being said, the more difficult bimanual coordination skill to perform is the asymmetric bimanual coordination. Reason being behind this is due to the demands being brought. Specifically, the motor control system has preference for the controlling the limb movements, which is symmetry, since it is easier to conduct. It is more difficult and takes more time to prepare and do.